Luckily, with the Prism Live Studio mobile and computer application, you can become a VTuber today, recording or live streaming 100% for free. Let me show you how it's done. To get this started, the first thing you guys are going to want to do is go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download the Prism Live Studio application for your mobile device. Once the app has finished installing, go ahead and open it and make sure you allow all the permissions for your microphone and your video to be recorded. You should then be able to log in with your Google or Twitch account, and once you're all signed in, you should see that you're on the live streaming page. From here, you're going to see three little sections. One of those is going to be the camera, which I'm on right now. Next to that is going to be the screen for being able to live stream the contents of your phone screen. And then to the right of that is your VTuber feature, which is what you see right now. And you can see my character's mouth move while I talk. Now, this is just the default avatar that Prism Live Studio has. If you go to the settings, which is on the right-hand side where that little settings wheel is, select that. And within here, you can scroll through the few different avatars that Prism Live Studio makes available to you without having to do anything else except download them. And you can do that just by clicking on the screen. At the bottom where you see those emojis, if you select any of these, it'll change the emotion of the avatar's face. Now I'm crying, now I'm a little bit mad. These settings are also available to you on the main VTuber screen on the right-hand side, right below where the settings icon is. So within this section, you can actually choose the emoji that you want to show while you're live without having to go all the way back into the settings. Now, jumping back into my settings, you can see that there's only 6 available avatars as of today. So luckily, if you scroll all the way to the end, Prism Live Studio has created a feature where you can actually add your own custom avatar into this app. You can use the app VRM Posing, where you'll have a much greater pool of avatar and anime characters that you can choose from and customize their positioning, their facial expressions, and how they look, and of course saving them with a transparent background. But my personal favorite is probably Zapito. This app was really cool because you can fully customize your own character. You can even make it look like yourself, like I did in this case. That character looks good. With your character created, you can just go to the create option in the middle of the app and then go to the camera icon on the top right-hand side. And once you're in here, you can go to the photo option, then go to background, and to make it transparent, we're just gonna click the checkerboard option right next to the right of that colorful wheel right there. So if we select that, we're completely transparent. And then to change our facial expressions, well, we just do that using our looks. Now, back in Prism Live Studio, if you select to register your new avatar, you're gonna see that for the smiling emoji, that there are 4 different boxes that you're gonna need to fill with images. So the first one is open eyes, closed mouth, and just add what I just took there. And I'll need to do that the same way for the remaining 3. Once that's done, I can go ahead and select done. And now you can see the mouth moving animation whenever a certain level of audio has been reached. And you can tell what that level is on the left-hand side there where you see that microphone icon. So depending on how high or low I have this, I need to go over that threshold for my mouth to be moving on my character. Now, you guys can add as many expressions as you want for your custom avatar. If you go back to your settings and you go to where it says edit on the right-hand side, make sure you select the plus button, and then you can select the emoji to fit the emotion that you want to show. You can add as many as you want here. You'll just need to capture the correct PNG avatar images for each. Now, if you guys want to adjust the character's overall body motion whenever you're speaking or not speaking, go ahead and select the motion option at the bottom there. Let's go with the up and down motion there. I think that's pretty cool. Now we'll go ahead and select done. And now if we want to change the background, click on that icon that's under the settings again, and then you're going to see a tab for background. Choose that, and then you can select which background you want to have as a part of your stream or your recordings. If you want, you can even set it to off. And yes, you can move your character around, make it big, make it small. You can move your avatar ever how you'd like. If you're all set and you're ready to stream, just select the ready icon when you're in the live streaming tab. If you want to record, you can do that as well by just selecting the video option, and then you can take a video of your avatar if you'd like. But now, what if we want to add our VTubing avatar to our live stream on the computer? Well, if you've updated to the newest version of Prism Live Studio, you'll want to make sure that you download Prism Lens. With the app launched, select one of your lenses, choose the drop down on the right hand side, and select Connect Prism Mobile. mobile. From here, you'll get a QR code that should pop up on the screen. You'll then want to grab your phone with the Prism mobile app up and select the Connect tab on the bottom. Then you can scan the QR code from your computer screen. Once you've done that, you'll be able to select the VTuber option to be shared to your computer. Next, switch back over to Prism Live Studio and add a new video capture device source. Select the corresponding Prism lens, and then I would make sure that your VTuber background is set to green, so that way you can add a chroma key filter to make your background transparent. From there, move your avatar around wherever you'd like. And that's all there is to it. You officially know how to start being a VTuber using Prism Live Studio. But if you guys enjoyed seeing their mobile app and their computer app, check out these videos right here as I go into a lot more detail into how to use both of these applications. With that, I'll see y'all in the next one.